So this is the main page, and we see that we can log in, create an account, and also see the leaderboard. Like, you don't have to log in to see it. So we can press B, and then we have three options: Pong, Pictionary, and Hangman. So let's say that if we want to see Hangman, then we go here, and we see that there no one has played Hangman yet. For example, if we go to Pong, then we can see nicely rendered the username, the scores, and the game of the people who have played. So now let's go back to a home page, and now we can try to log in by just short pressing A. So now in order to type, we just need to tilt. So now I already have yeah, so we already got R, and in order to lock it, then we have this. So we have RA, and that's the username that it's already created. So now in order to do the password, is the same thing. So my password is UL, and then in order to enter, we just press here. So now we see that this homepage has become something used for us. Welcome RA. So the one thing that is different from the previous one is that now we can see our own scores just by short pressing B. So for example, we do this, and then we see the score. For example, I still haven't played Pong or Hangman, but I have played Pictionary, in which I got 5 points. So that's what is gonna appear here. So now we can go home again. Let's say that now the main thing of all of this is to pick a game. So we just need to press A to pick a game. Okay, now we see that we can choose any of these three, and for example, let's choose Hangman. I was just waiting for someone. And now we will be the ones to choose a word for Shin. So let's choose A. Yeah, let's choose H. And now we're submitting this to her. So now we're just observing, and she will be the one to try to guess it.
So here I'm playing a game of Hangman against Raul. And I started. So this is my word, --E, and I have 8 tries left. Button A is used to select a letter after typing. Button B is used to submit and guess the letter, and button C to leave the game. So let me try D. So I select the letter and submit it. So that's a wrong guess. So oops, my person's being hanged. I'm trying G. Oh, that's a correct guess. What if I try K? Oops, wrong guess. I try M. Again, a wrong guess, and we can see that the person slowly gets hanged. Q. Is also a wrong guess. We have tried K, M, O. This is also a wrong guess. And what if I try A? Oh great, it's the correct guess, and I won without the person being hanged. And now I can leave the game by pressing button C.
So basically we just finished playing Hangman. So now if we want to play another game, we can just press B and then try to, I don't know, Pictionary. So now we're looking.
So now we will play Pictionary and we'll try to make a figure of J, and during the way I will just try to direct the different possible features of this game. So here we start making our game, and so one feature is you can always pause the game by having a short press of button C. So here you can see the game is paused, and you can resume it by again having a short press of C. Then if you have a long press of button C, you would see like a color changes, which means the pen is lifted right now. And if you again press it, the pen becomes lifted down and everything which was drawn with the pen up erases. So here is our J. I pause it again. So now if the other player guesses it right, we can give him a point by pressing a button A, and as you can see the score just increased by 1. Besides, we can also delete last few pixels if there was some mistake by having a short press of button B, and as you can see the last 10 pixels got erased. So let me complete the figure again. So here we complete it again. Another feature which we added to the Pictionary was to reset the screen. So now suppose the other player have guessed the right letter, and now I want to draw another figure. So instead of like erasing each last of the 10 pixels one by one, I can just have a long press of button B. So and now the whole screen resets. So now we can make another figure. Maybe say now I want to make a L, and here I have a L. Now another feature that we added was to how to end the game simultaneously. So if you have a long press of button A like this, the game ends synchronously for both of the two players.
Okay, so that was fun. Now let's say that we are simply bored of human interaction, and then we can try to play Pong. But then the good thing about Pong is that it has a computer, like play against computer feature, so we can just press A for that. And then we're not so good at this, so we just lost. And now let's say we just got tired of everything, so we just press C and go back. So now this is the home page, and if we don't want to be logged in ever again, then we just press C and then we log out. And then this is the main page, and now we can log in, we can create an account, we can do whatever we want, and that's it.